2006 Toyota Sienna. Blend actuator giving issues. I already removed the bottom cover. Okay, this goes inserted inside here like this. See that? Tabs go in there. That slot. Okay, so there it goes. This is the blend actuator on this side. It's on the passenger side, and this is when you try to go from cold to hot. So let's see what's happening. Yeah, so there's a third screw right there. Let's pull that out. Here we got to just check it, because sometimes that lever can get stuck. So just got to make sure that that's not the case here. It's happened to me in the past with other vehicles. Okay, so here it goes. Let's unplug it. Push here, push and pull. This is what it looks like. It's Denso. Okay, so let's check our the door lever here. Make sure this isn't the issue. Okay, so this is free. No issues here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this back in and see if it's just to be certain that the actuator is bad. Let me turn back on the car. Turn on the heat, the air, whatever. Okay, so yeah, it's acting erratic. See that? It's attempting to work, but apparently there's something wrong inside with the gears. See that? Okay, let me see what happened. I'm on cold right now. Let me go to hot. Okay, so it did change. It did go to hot. Let me go to cold. Let's go to hot again. Okay, so it is turning. I'm all the way up in hot. Yeah. Let's go to cold. Yeah, it is turning. Now that I see that it is working, what I'm gonna attempt on doing, now that it's out, and I know this actuator has been here for years, the right thing for me to do would be to open it up and put some dielectric grease inside, you know. Okay, yeah, because it is working, so. Just to make sure that it's not staying stuck due to lack of lubrication. All right, so let's shut off the vehicle, pull it out, and take it inside. All right, so here we have the blend actuator. So what I'm going to be doing is opening it up. First time I ever did this. Let me see. Gonna undo these tabs very carefully to make sure that they don't break on me. Oh, this one broke. See that? That's what happens with these fragile things. And this thing's got tabs all over the place. It's got tabs here by the power right here. Why didn't they just put screws all over these things? So as we pry, we have to hold the case so it doesn't close back up on us. And as you can see, these gears are pretty dried up. I'm going to try not to touch things too much. That way they can stay in their place. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is lube inside here where the gears meet, right here. I got this CRC dielectric grease. This is pretty cool because you pump it through here. Old grease. That should be good enough. Okay, I'm gonna lube this one up. And this one. By the looks of it, I should have removed it. This side up, because see, the motor goes into these prongs right here, the power prongs. So now I have to fit it in place. Let's put a little lube here. So this was like this, means it goes like that. Gotta try to figure out how this goes now. Alright, there it goes. So it seats right in here. Those little prongs spread apart and makes contact with the motor contacts. So see, now as this spins, it's gonna do good with that lubrication that I put in there. Let's put just a little dab more, just to be on the safe side. Little dot. There we go. That's good enough. Let's put some in here. That looks good. Just trying to inspect this, just to make sure that I'm not missing nothing. Okay, this will drop in there. Okay, so you know what? Being that this thing drops in that hole, the sides, I'm gonna just, with what's already here on the tip, just gonna do this. That's it. See, so I'm gonna put that now. This goes inserted, this goes in between that hole, so I want to make sure I got it the best glide possible. Trying to see how this works. Okay, I see. So these things here make contact with this. See how you have this, see these, forgot what you call these things, but this is actually electrical, makes electrical contact with these, I'm assuming they're copper. See those copper grooves in there? So it makes electrical contact with this. Okay, let's put everything back. So I'm gonna put everything back and then just go test. So I'm really not sure what position this has to be in now. Hopefully it's correct there, because I don't want to have to keep opening these plastic tabs again, you know. So let's go check out what we got. Alright, so I plugged it in already. Let's put it in position. Let's see what we got. Okay, it goes try to figure out which way it goes. Okay, it goes this way here. Which way this crap goes, man? Oh, I see. For the 2 screws, it goes in the bottom. This one goes up. Is it? No. I'm confused. I guess it goes this way. I'll put it like this and check. All right. Fits well in the slots, in the screw slots. We just let me put 1 screw in just to hold it in place, so I won't be able to hold the phone and test. Okay, so I put the 2 screws in the bottom only, just in case if I have to, we'll take it back out. So let's test. I'm gonna turn on the, I got the car running already. Let's turn on the heater, or the, whatever you want, the cold, the hot. Let's turn on the blower. There we go. Let's shift to, right now it's in cold. Let's go to hot. Okay, and the temperature is coming out hot right at this time, because hot is up. Got it all the way up in hot. Let's go all the way down to cold. As you can see, it's moving. Let's go back up to, let me see. Let's go back to hot. Okay, we're getting hot temperature now. Let's go back down. Let's go back to cold. All right, and I got the cold temperature now. Okay, so the job is a success, as you guys see. I recommend you guys doing the same. So what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna put some dielectric grease in between here also, right in the middle, right here, so that this part here can glide in between, can slide nice and easy. Don't really think it's necessary because I have some old grease here, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's no big deal. That should be fine there. All right, nice and cold. Let's go back to hot. All right, there you guys have it. I'm gonna put that top screw in now, put everything back together, and go inside and enjoy me a nice tall glass of lemonade with lots of ice in it. It's a beautiful day out here today, and I'm glad I was able to repair this. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Your boy Gus. Until next time. Later, brothers.